What's up, guys? Welcome back into the YouTube channel. If you are new, thank you for stopping in. So a lot of you know this is our budget build Tahoe. We've done a few videos on it here and there, but today we are going to be doing something different with it. We're going to be kicking it old school. We got a new set of wheels and tires that are going to be going on it. I don't mind the 20x9s, the CV 26 snowflakes. They don't look bad. It's just, it doesn't fit what I'm going for. So like I said, we're gonna be kicking it old school. Let's go ahead and get the Tahoe pulled into the shop and let's get these things swapped. Alrighty guys, so like I said, we threw it old school. I wanted something different on the Tahoe. Like I said, the 20x9, the CV26s, they fit the Tahoe, but it's not my style. Maybe if they were like the black, true like GM snowflakes, I would have left them. But I bought these for 400 bucks, spent 200 bucks on having them polished up. I sold the 20s for $1,000, so I'm still money ahead. There's plenty of meat left on these tires. I'm probably going to do new center caps at some point. And then we ran into an issue with our lug nuts. I had the old lug nuts off of my 01. We tried to run, I didn't have enough of them, and then I ended up finding the old lug nuts that come off of the 98, and they actually worked. I drove it up to the house and back. We have a little rubbing issue on the back side here when we back up and stuff, as the truck kind of dips a little bit. And then we trimmed our lower valence piece here. But other than that, everything is, I think, pretty solid. I like the stance. It's not too, overpowering. But like I said, it's got that old school look that I was going for. I think the next thing we're gonna do is probably fix the rockers and just kind of touch up a little bit of the rust issues. And then I thought about taking it to my buddy Daniel's and having it wrapped, basically from here down, kind of just doing something to match the 98. But you guys let me know what you think. Do you like the old school look? Do you prefer the new school look? And then what are your thoughts on having the Tahoe wrapped? But anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Remember, learning as I do, doing I love. I'm the GM man. I'll catch you guys in the next one.